Welcome to Riverview Track and Materials, your partner for heavy-duty aftermarket rubber tracks and parts for your heavy equipment and machinery. We understand that every machine is unique. Our experienced sales team is ready to provide you with one-on-one consultation to ensure the products you order are a perfect fit for your machine. Exploring our website is a breeze. Find the right product for your machine with ease, and rest assured knowing you're getting the highest quality with our 15 months warranty on rubber tracks. Our team processes and fulfills orders quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime for your business. All orders are shipped with priority-free shipping, and products are received typically within 2 to 4 business days. Quality, affordability, and outstanding customer service – that's what you can expect when you choose Riverview. Join the countless businesses who have already made the smart choice. Visit our website or call us today, and let's get your heavy machinery back to work with the best products and service in the industry.